Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to take a look at this absolutely gorgeous 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid Platinum. Power for this Tundra comes from a 3.6 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission, and it has the hybrid electric fuel system and four-wheel drive. It is riding on alloy wheels, and from the side we've got color matched door handles, full-length running boards, tinted privacy glass, as well as the platinum badging right down there. And then we've got our contrasting black trim and mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we've got our Crewmax badging, as well as our nice big aggressive silver grille with fog lights. Inside we have a ton of amazing features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what the cabin has to offer. So jumping inside, we have a huge amount of features to go over. So we'll start over here on the left door panel, where we're going to find our power windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as our memory settings for our power driver's seat. And then right down here, we've got our automatic high beams, your heated steering wheel, a bunch of mirror controls, and your parking aid sensors. And then right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our audio controls, as well as our hands-free Bluetooth calling, and those controls in the middle. You can use that to scroll through different information up here on your dash really easily to see what is going on. Here's your turn-by-turn navigation and all of that. Taking a look over here, we've got our gas gauge as well as our battery gauge. And then moving down on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our adaptive cruise control, our quick button for our pre-collision mitigation system, and then some more audio controls right down there. If we take a look at the center console, we've got a huge, beautiful touchscreen with a full navigation system, AM/FM stereo, Android Auto, Apple Carplay, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth, pretty much everything you could want, and you can go in there and customize everything to look exactly as you like it too. Moving down, we've got our electronic climate control settings with air conditioning, as well as our rear window defrost and heated mirrors. We also have our heated and cooled front seats here in the back. We have heated and cooled front seats that can be accessed back there as well. Moving down here a bit, we've got our electronic parking brake hold system, some trailer controls, and then your camera view. We do have the 360-degree camera view here, as well as a whole host of other ones, and then your wireless phone charger. Taking a look right down here, we're going to find our drive mode and our tow haul mode, as well as your four-wheel drive dial. If we swing up here and take a look, we have this beautiful panoramic roof, the controls for which you're going to find right up here, along with your SOS control and your rear window slider. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. So moving around back and looking up, we've got our rear mounted shark fin antenna, and then we do have our hard tonneau cover there as well. And we do have the locking tailgate. Your backup cameras are on either side of the latch right there. And down here, we're going to find our trailer hitch and the electrical for your brake, as well as our color matched Tundra badging with the contrasting black 4x4. Thank you very much for checking out this 2022 Toyota Tundra Hybrid with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come see us at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday, or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this pickup and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.